Maria, I have a question. Did you go to the park?
Wait, John. Did I go when? Or have I gone ever?
Oh no. Not this again. I always mix up did you and have you.
Don't worry, John. It's actually very simple. It's all about time.
Time?
Yes. If the time is finished and specific, use a did you. If the time is not specific or it's about life experience, use a have you.
Okay, let's break it down. When do I use did you?
Use a did you here when you mention a specific time in the past that is over. Like, a yesterday, a last night, a year in 2019, a year at 8 a.m.
So, did you watch the movie last night?
Exactly. Last night he is finished. So we use a did. And remember, after a did, use the base verb. Did you watch, and not a watched.
Got it. Specific finish time equals did. What about have you?
Use have you here for life experiences or when the time is not mentioned. We often use words like ever, never, yet, or recently.
So, have you ever watched that movie?
Perfect. Here, we don't care when you watched it. We just care if you have the experience. So we use a have. And remember, after a have, use the past participle, V3. Have you watched?
Let me test myself. Sentence 1, ____ you eat lunch yet?
Yet means up until now. The day isn't over. So,
have you eaten lunch yet?
correct. Sentence 2, ____ you eat lunch at 1 p.m.?
1 p.m. is a specific finish time. So, did you eat lunch at 1 p.m.?
Excellent. Sentence 3, ____ you ever been to London?
Life experience. No specific time. So, have you ever been to London? Sentence 4, ____ you go to London in 2015.
2015 is a finished year. So, did you go to London in 2015?
Wow, I think I get it now. Let's try a conversation. Maria, have you ever tried spicy food?
Yes, I have. I love it. Did you try it yesterday?
No, I didn't. I ate pasta yesterday. But I have never eaten snake.
Har har. Me neither. Have you traveled to Asia recently?
No, I haven't. But I went to Japan in 2018.
See. Wenti is past simple because 2018 is finished. Have you traveled is present perfect because recently is vague.
Quick review, did you plus base verb equals specific finish time? Have you plus V3 equals life experience, unspecified time?
Memory trick. Did equals date, specific. Have equals history, general.
Common mistakes to avoid, don't say, did you ever go? If you want general experience, say, have you ever gone? Don't say, have you go yesterday? Say, did you go yesterday?
Practice tip. Look at the time word. Is it specific, yesterday? Use did. Is it vague, ever lately? Use have.
If this lesson helped you, please like this video, subscribe to Maria English Listening, and share it with a friend who confuses past tenses.
And practice time. In the comments, ask us a question using a did you or a have you. We'll read and answer every single one.
Keep practicing, stay consistent, and remember, time tells you which verb to use.
Thank you for learning with us today. See you in the next lesson.
Bye everyone. Keep speaking.